If you put it in your mouth, Olivia. That is not how you make your gingerbread house. If you eat your house, you won't have one. If you eat your house, you won't have one. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Gotta go? Welcome back, Spencer family. Oh, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. And we are doing our first ever gingerbread house. I've never done a gingerbread house before, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, you have? All right, so cool. So we have an expert with us. And then last year was technically her second Christmas and this is her third. So I feel like this year she's enjoying the festivities a lot more. Oh, I have scissors right there. So of course, I got this gingerbread house for 10 bucks at Target. And it comes with, you'll see what it comes with. And what you'll need is the foil. Hubby said he's gonna eat it regardless, so don't matter. I want it nice and fresh and the best it can be. Yeah. Say bye, house. Alright, so hubby's off to work. Perfect timing actually, because we need to let this dry anyway. But we'll get to the fun part, which is the decorating of the house. Bye. Bye. Bye.
One eternity later.
Welcome back. We're in the kitchen and we're at the fun part. So baby's home from work. How was your day?
Long.
Thank you for doing this with us. He's a great dad. Okay, so now we are going to decorate our house. It is now stuck.
We're not doing that, guys. We
What are we doing?
Gotta put the door to our home on.
Oh. Alright, what are we doing? Fruit snacks, currency for kids.
This door?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's not?
Nope.
Let me see it. Whoop! Guys, it's breaking. Like. Got the foundation right. I like that. Look it, baby.
Guys, I'm about to say forget the doors. I mean the door. And
I think it looks fine.
On it.
Yeah, so I'm looking at that, right?
You gotta look at that. You already got the chimney up. You could just outline the house if you want. The doors are going down.
I gotta do this line too, right? Okay, so let's see if the camera can see me do it. Scoop. That's that parent save, y'all saw that? Okay, ready? Mommy's gonna fix it. All of these are blocking it. No. Alright, eat it. I'm done. So, gingerbread.
Use the icing as an outline for your designs.
Front, back, sides, all of that. We put candy on all of it. Our house is gonna be lit. I love the word lit. Even when it goes out of style, I'm gonna be saying lit. I'm gonna be 80 years old, like, babe, you still lit.
In your dream.
You'll be right there with me. The whole 90 years old, I'm gonna be 80, you'll be 90. I'm gonna be like, babe, you're still lit.
No, the other way around. I'm gonna be 80, you're gonna be 90.
No. When you were born, I wasn't born yet, so you're still older. Look at all this icing, you'll have enough.
No, don't.
Yes, you
We
do.
gotta do designs on here.
Alright.
Don't drop a chimney again.
Ah, okay. You had to just say. This is the reason why the whole house is not gonna get designed. Not because of the icing. Alicia,
Look.
you're not gonna sit here and eat candy. You're going to bed. You know what time it is? No, you're getting ready for bath and bed.
It's gonna go in here.
We can't, we're not a part of the fun. If you put it in your mouth, Alicia, I'm dead. That is not how you make your gingerbread house. How are you gonna eat? If you eat your house, you won't have one. If you eat your house, you won't have one. If you're following along with us, We would love to see your finished picture when you're done. Daddy made the smallest little hole for me to get these out of.
Yeah.
Because the candy goes on the house.
Yeah, the house. Look, it's on the house.
Come, I'm gonna turn it away so she can see. Yeah, see?
House.
Wow. These are the Christmas lights that you see outside. Oh, she finally did it, guys. Oh, it's perfect, baby. Yeah. Well done. Okay. I'm happy with the small things in life. Bubbles? Aw, she blew you a bubble, guys. Did you catch it? Wow, well done. Comment down below where you'll be spending your holiday season this year. You going out of town, out of state, out of country? Are you having a white Christmas or a tropical Christmas? We're in Florida, so you know it's very tropical. You can go to the beach today if you want to. But we prefer white Christmases, but you know, we live in Florida. Nobody's blaming nothing. Nobody. Say, excuse me? Good girl. Thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video. It's brought us much joy. Hi, Daddy. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Say bye.
If you followed along with us, go ahead and show us those pictures. We'd love to see. We're gonna get to eating this gingerbread house now. See you on the next episode. Peace. Go. Ah, yeah. Eat.
Yeah, life I'm living. Live it.